What do we have here? This here is my first knife wood carving bunny. Had it put away for a while and now I wanted to give it some detail and add paint to it. I'll leave a link down in the description of the short little video I did when I was making this bunny. So here I have the Dremel 4300, and with the flex shaft I have a cylinder carbide burr installed. So with this burr I'm going to layer in the bunny hair. So when putting in the hair you want to go in a certain direction according to the carving. So you want to make nice quick little lines here for the fur and layer it in. So I'm going to go around the carving like so, getting the back, getting around the ears, trying to go in a unified or a uniform direction. So enjoy this carve come to life, and we'll be back for the next step. Alright, so we're back. I did a little sanding with the Peter Blair sanding mandrel. The detail hair carving is done. So now I'm going to take the wood burner here and burn in and separate the legs and undercuts. Getting all around under the ears. And just kind of outlining the carving with the wood burner. Getting those little paws under the legs. This is the Tech Chic Pro 2 wood burner, if you guys want to check that out. Alright, sign the piece. Carefully go around the nose. This is a pretty cool wood burner. Alright, carefully going around into the eyes, burning the eyes. tip is good for that, a little thin tip. Alright, and then lightly putting in lines for the hair, just all over. Yep, there it is. There we go. Wood burning is all done now. And time to mix up some paint. Let's start off here with this pink. The bunnies always have that pink nose, some pink inner ears. So I'll go ahead and just paint this up. So I'm going to use this mix with the pink and white and use this for the majority of the bunny. Alright, here's the bunny. So now I'm going to get this gray. Going to blend in some gray lightly in it, just like so. Alrighty, here we go. Now this Laguna color for the eyes, carefully painting in the eyes with a small point brush. Very little intricate painting here. Don't forget to sign your carvings. Alright, let's retouch some white all around the tail and blend it in with the feet and underbelly. Then I'm going to use this white and add it to the eyes. Just right here on the end. You know, that white eyeballs with that blue just makes it look pretty cool. Alright, we're almost there. This guy is coming to life. So we now need to add some pupils. So here I'm gonna, so now using the back end of the paintbrush, just put a dab of black paint and then you just dab it onto the pupil like so. Boop. Now let's finish it off with this clear shellac. Quick spray. Get a little sound effect. And here we go. This plain bunny carving is now a cool looking bunny. This was a fun one. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.